Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by securing data and entering recovery so you can safely reset disk utility. Backup with Time Machine or copy crucial files to an external SSD. This prevents data loss. Once done, connect power and internet and make sure you know your Apple ID. Now restart and hold Command-R. This boots recovery, the only environment that lets you erase and repair internal disks. Doing this first isolates the disk from the running OS, which is why recovery is required. You now walk disk utility step by step to erase and reformat the drive. First, choose View and Show All Devices so you can see the physical disk, not just volumes. That ensures you erase the correct target. Select the top-level physical drive, click Erase, then pick apps for modern Macs or Mac OS Extended if needed for older Mac OS versions. Make sure scheme is GUID partition map. Confirm the erase and wait. The utility verifies and recreates the container and part. You finish by installing Mac OS and handling common hiccups. Close disk utility, choose Reinstall Mac OS, and follow the on-screen prompts. The installer writes the system onto the freshly formatted apps volume. Make sure to sign in with your Apple ID when prompted so Activation Lock and iCloud work correctly. If the disk was not visible, run first aid on the physical drive first, and if problems persist, reset NVRAM or SMC. Then restart recovery and repeat the erase step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.